Hello everyone! Oh, my chair is so squeaky. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I've been meaning to film this video for a while now, but just never got around to it. But with the social climate and everything, I thought I'd go ahead and let you know what Happily Dressed is all about and what it means to me. So I created Happily Dressed my freshman year of college as a place where people can go for inspiration to be themselves, learn how to be themselves, feel supported to be themselves. When I originally coined the term Happily Dressed, it was Happily Dressed Mind, Body, Style. So it was all about the way we treated our mind, body, and the way we expressed ourselves. Growing up, it was hard to find spaces where I felt like I belonged, whether it be because of my race, gender, sexuality, etc. It felt hard to be able to just be me, exist, without some kind of resistance from the people around me. And if I'm being honest, that feeling actually never goes away. But what makes my days worth living is the fact that I control who I let around me, what kind of energy and vibes or whatever I allow around me. And that helps me create these spaces to where I feel comfortable enough to just exist. And in the end, that's what everyone wants. No one wants to feel like they don't belong. No one wants to feel like they're not heard. No one wants to feel like they are not seen. And Happily Dressed is here to help you realize that and to also help you create that space around you. I've been thinking a lot recently about we'd call it my personal manifesto and what I believe and how I live my life. And it is all centered around compassion. Not only compassion for oneself, but compassion for everyone around you. Having compassion is really big for me because I think that it topples some of these ideas that we have about respect. I think respect reinforces a hierarchy. Like because I'm older than you, or because someone's older than you, you need to respect them. Or because someone makes more money than you, you need to respect them. Because someone has a college degree, you need to respect them. As if respect only goes one way, and that's up, from the bottom to the top. The bottom respect the top. And I know that's not how everyone thinks of respect, but that is how I think of respect. And I like to challenge that idea with just having compassion, no matter who you are, because we're all human. We all deserve a place on this earth. We're here to just exist. And I think that sometimes that can be lost with the external chase of money, validation, status. That's all man-made. The only validation you need is your inner validation. When you know your value, no one else can take that away from you. So something I challenge myself to do every day, and what I challenge you guys to do, is to really start leading a life based on inner validation. Because when you have that, you're your own compass. And I think that we all have this ability to know what's for us. And when we do what is for us, no matter what anyone else thinks, it can only lead us in the direction we are supposed to go. I feel like where a lot of us get lost, or we feel down, or we have low self-esteem, is when we start listening to outside forces telling us how to live our own life. No matter what you believe, whether it is a religion, or you're atheist, or you believe in just the universe and you're more spiritual, I think that we are all capable of walking the path that's meant for us. And the more we tune in and be quiet and listen, the easier it is for us to walk in that direction. This gets a little crazy, but think of this idea of the bigger picture. No matter how this earth came to be, it is here in a vast universe, and we happen to be on it. Guess what? The universe, Mother Nature, Earth, whatever you want to believe, is not asking for money. There is no natural rent to exist. So go outside, breathe in the air, stand in the sun, and just listen. And not think, listen. Be at peace and tune into that inner compass that allows you to make the right decisions, that allows you to show compassion for other people even when they don't show it back to you, that allows you to realize this universal understanding that we are all here, no matter what age you are, no matter what status you have, no matter how much money you have. We are all here just to exist. And try to find some kind of happiness in that existence and do that for other people. When you show compassion for other people, you not only show them how you love yourself, but how to love other people. And I think that's so important. I don't think people realize how much it helps you to help other people. And to be honest and show other people that you care. And at first I was gonna make this elaborate video about sharing what Happily Dressed means to me. This message doesn't need bells and whistles to ring true. And I've always said with self-acceptance, self-confidence, and self-sufficiency, you can make all your dreams come true because you know what's for you. You stop chasing what other people want from you, what you think other people want from you, and you just start listening to you. And that's so important to me, so it's something that I wanted to share with you guys. It's something I speak about with my friends, my family, etc. But that's what Happily Dressed means to me. It's about knowing that no matter who says otherwise, you are happily dressed. You do have value. You are capable. And it's funny how things work out because sewing reminded me that I am capable. That with these two hands, I can do anything I put my mind to. And it's not just sewing, but that is a way that I create, manifest, or bring to life ideas that I have in my head. And you can do the same. So I leave you guys with this. Inner value is the most important thing you can have on this earth. It's not about material gain, it's not about money, it's not about status, because at the end of the day, those things all go away or can be taken from you. But what cannot be taken from you is your value, because you determine that. And I always say, when I'm 6 feet under, I won't be happy that I had a mansion or that everyone knew me. I'm gonna be happy that I lived a life for me, by me, through me, with the help of people around me who had the same mission, who I was honest with and showed compassion towards. That's how I want to live my life, and I challenge you guys to do the same. So thank you guys for clicking on this video today. It means a lot. Happily dressed is so much bigger than clothes for me. It is definitely a lifestyle, and I appreciate you guys for listening. I'll see you all in my next video. See you later.